How to hide friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So you might be wondering how to hide friends on Snapchat. So there are a couple of ways to do this. So let me show you how. First, open Snapchat and log into your account. Now simply navigate to the chat button at bottom left corner of your screen. Find the friends you want to hide or block. So you can easily block or remove any user as friend if you want to hide those friends on Snapchat. You can long press on particular Snapchatter and then you will see a menu bar. Simply select manage friendship. So here you get the option to block or remove friend. If you block them, they won't be able to contact you or see your activity. If you remove them as friend, they will no longer be on your friend list. For now, let's select block. Select block button. And with that, they have successfully hidden from your chat section. If you want to hide your story from someone, you can go to top left corner and tap on your profile icon. And now navigate to the gear icon at top right corner. You need to scroll down towards the privacy control section and select view by story and choose custom. And here you can choose the custom privacy and block any friend from seeing new snaps you added to your story. So you need to search for that same person and simply tick mark that particular Snapchatters and select the block button. And now those particular user cannot be or cannot see your stories. So you can also adjust who can contact you, view your location, and even turn off quick ad. Make sure to explore the setting from more control over your privacy. And that's it. Now you know how to hide friends or block them on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.